Hello, good day. My name is Uzoma. Welcome to Simtech Properties. In today's video, I'll be sharing with us cost of roofing a house in Nigeria. As you all know, roofing is highly important when it comes to building a house in Nigeria. As you all know, without the roofing, the house is not complete. In this video, I'll be giving you the step-by-step guide and all you need to know about roofing a house in Nigeria. I'll be giving us different roofing design. I'll be giving us different prices, different costs, the duplex cost, the bungalow cost, and so on and so forth. I want you to stay tuned and stay till the end of this video. Okay, let's move on. Okay, there are many factors that are affecting the cost of roofing a house in Nigeria. One of the factors is the foundation of the house. Now it depends how big the foundation, how big the house is, determine the cost of roofing your own house. And the foundation is highly important depending on the house you want to build. If you are building a bungalow or you are building a duplex, the foundation might not be the same. Okay. Number two, I have a roofing design. A roofing design also determine the cost of the roofing. Okay. We have so many type of roofing design. As you all know that there are many trending design going on these days, and I'll be giving us 5 different trends that you can use, 5 different design that you can use for your house design. Number one is flat roof design, flat house roof design. This one is a trend right now. Some people are using for their own building. Like for instance, now when you go to Lekki area or all those Lekki, all those places that people are building as almost every day, you will see this kind of design. Okay, the number 2 I have here is we call this one sloping pitched roof design. Sloping pitched roof design. Now this design is just like sloping, and the design is wonderful design. Makes the house look so beautiful, make the house looks unique, and it bring out the best of the house, make it look portable. The number 3 I have here is cross gable roof. This cross gable roof is a wonderful design that also bring out the beauty of the house, that also make the house look portable and make the house look presentable. Okay, number 3 I have here is pyramid roof. Okay, this pyramid roof is also a very good design that is trending right now, and people are actually using it for their houses. You can see it in different places where they are building house in Nigeria. It's a wonderful, very good and wonderful design that will give your house a befitting structure. Okay, the next one I have here is dormer roof design. Now this dormer roof design is also a beautiful design that also bring out the best of the house. Also make the house to look unique, make it look beautiful, and make it look nice and wonderful. Okay, okay, that is 45 now. 45 different design that I'm giving out right now. You can decide to use any one that you want to use, but take note that any one you use, the cost might be different, because some of them will require more aluminium or more stone coated sheet. Some of them will require more wood or more material in order to bring out the best, so the prices differs. Okay, number 2, also the wood type you are going to use. Depending on the wood type that you're going to use, we have different type of wood. We have the foreign wood and the local wood. Even from the foreign wood, we have different qualities. From the local wood, we have different qualities. So it depends on the one that you want to use, and the prices differs. So it is your taste that determine the price, the one that you go for. That is for the wood. The next one is the roofing sheet type. Now the roofing sheet type and the quality. Now depending on the roofing sheet type you want to use, as you all know, we have aluminium sheet. We also have a stone coated sheet. So depending on the one you want to use, there are different prices. They have different prices per square meter. Okay, I'll be giving us the price of the aluminium sheet. Like we have we call this one a lifespan aluminium. Now this lifespan aluminium goes for between 3,400 to 3,700 naira per square meter. Okay, that's per square meter. So depending on the size of your house, determine how many meter you want to, how many square meter you want to buy. Okay, the next one I have is a step tie aluminum. Now this step tie aluminum is almost similar to the other one, but with almost the same price, from that 3,400 to 2,650. Okay, you can get it to that, you can get it from that range per square meter. So depending on the size of your house, depending on what you want to do, and then everything that you want to, depend on the wood you are using, so that determines how many square meter you want to use for your roofing. Okay, and I also have a stone coated roofing sheet. Now this stone coated roofing sheet is the modern roofing sheet that many people are using. Many people want to use, many persons that are based on their budget, how much they have, and they want to use. This one is sold for about 3,700 naira to 4,000 naira per square meter. And we have like this stone coated roofing sheet. We have Milano Design. Milano Design is about 3,600 naira to 4,000 naira per square meter for this Milano Design. Okay, number 2, I have wooden shake design. This wooden shake design is still between that range of 3,600 naira to 4,000 naira, okay, per square meter. Okay, we have a bond design. This bond design is also similar price, from that 3,700 naira to 4,000 naira. Okay, then the next one I have is a Roman design. Now this Roman design is also, they are also the same, similar price. The difference is just the design, the design of the sheet, but they are similar, they are almost the same thing. Okay, this Roman design goes for almost that same amount, 3,600 to 4,000 naira per square meter. Okay, the last but not the least, we have a Shingle design. This Shingle design, they are, like I said earlier, they are almost the same thing with other ones. This one goes for the price per square meter is about 3,700 to 4,100 naira, within that range. That is for Shingle design. Okay, now, the next one we're talking about is the labor. That is someone that will do the job for you, someone that will help you to roof it. Depending on the kind of the price you negotiate with the person. I won't give you the actual price, because different people have different prices depending how you negotiate with the person. That's for the labor. It can be any amount. You can be, depending on the person. The person can charge you like 500,000, 400,000, 300,000, 200,000, and so on and so forth. So depending on the person that is doing it, that's for the labor. Okay. Now, let me give us the cost of roofing a duplex. Okay, cost of roofing a duplex in Nigeria, you can be budgeting from 2.5 million naira to 3 million naira or 4 million naira, depending on the area you are roofing this particular house. For instance, the price in Lagos might not be the same thing with the price in the east. The price in the north might not be the same price with the north. So depending on where you are roofing it. But right now I'm giving us the price based in Lagos here. You can be looking from 2.5 or 2 million to 4 million within that range to roof a wonderful duplex in Nigeria. Then 4-bedroom bungalow. The price of a roofing 4-bedroom bungalow, I'll be giving us 4-bedroom bungalow. You'll be looking from let's say from 1.80 million or 2 million naira to 2.5 million or 3 million, based depending on how big the house is for 4-bedroom bungalow. Then if it's 3-bedroom bungalow, you can be looking at the rate of maybe like 1.8 million, 1.7 million, or 2 million naira, depending on the size of the house. Then the last but not the least, cost of a 2-bedroom bungalow, that you can be looking at 1.5 million, can be looking at about 1.4 million, 1.7 million, 1.3 million, depending on the material you are using, depending on the labor you are using, depending on how big the house is. You can just from that range, that price I gave out, can be looking at that. Okay, now okay, thank you for watching this video. I believe you've gotten a good information from this video. You've gotten idea of the price of roofing a house in Nigeria, but understand that what I gave out here is just estimate of the prices. It might be higher than this, at the same time it might be lower than this, depending on someone who is building the roofing the house. Okay, if you want to roof a house, you can contact us. Our phone number is on the screen. We will give you a wonderful roofing and give you the best information. Thank you for watching.